Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is the psychological benefits of decluttering your space. We all know that clutter can have a negative impact on our physical environment, but did you know that it can also affect our mental well-being? A dirty room can also affect your physical health. Dust, mold, and other allergens can trigger respiratory problems and allergies. Studies have shown that a cluttered living space can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and even depression. On the other hand, decluttering your space can have many psychological benefits. Here are some of the benefits of decluttering that you may not know. 1. Reduced stress. Cluttered spaces can be overwhelming, and the mere sight of a messy room can cause stress and anxiety. By decluttering your space, you can reduce your stress levels and create a calming environment. 2. Increased productivity. A cluttered workspace can make it difficult to focus and work efficiently. A tidy room can help you be more productive and focused, which can lead to better performance in school or work. By eliminating distractions, you can increase your productivity and get more done in less time. 3. Improving mood. A clean and organized space can help to improve your mood and overall well-being. It can give you a sense of accomplishment and provide a feeling of control over your environment. 4. Better sleep. Clutter can make it difficult to relax and can even disrupt your sleep. A clean room can reduce the risk of illnesses and improve your overall hygiene. By decluttering your space, you can create a peaceful and calming environment that promotes better sleep. 5. More creativity. An organized space can also inspire creativity and help you think more clearly. When your mind is cluttered, it can be difficult to come up with new ideas. By decluttering, you can clear your mind and have more space for creative thinking. So, decluttering your space can have a profound impact on your mental well-being. By reducing stress, increasing productivity, improving your mood, promoting better sleep, and inspiring creativity. Decluttering can also help you create a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. So go ahead, set aside some time to clean and organize your room. Your mental and physical health will thank you.